So tell us, you said you want to be pushed to the wall as to the amount that was actually paid to buy. Can you shed more light on that, please?
Please. What I was trying to say is that the amount that was being demanded, I don't want to be pushed to the wall, but let me put it this way, that the amount is far from being legit. So I believe I've said it all. But what is important is that now that INEC has a lead counsel, I believe that something good may come out of a chat that I'm supposed to have with him today. Because until now, if you ask me, and I say it with every degree of emphasis, that INEC sees itself as a candidate in an election that it conducted. I say it with every degree of emphasis, going by the conduct of INEC, and that is true. Now, you would have noticed, for those of you who were in court, that no other party is complaining about not getting any documents. You should ask the question, why is it so? Because they have been provided with documents, except the petitioners, who have not been provided with the required documents. And I keep on saying, what is INEC umpire hiding? What is he hiding? What is he hiding? I don't know. Maybe you, as gentlemen of the press, may interrogate them to find out why INEC should not be neutral. They are supposed to be neutral. That's the way it is all over the world, including African countries. It's only in Nigeria that the electoral umpire behaves as if it is a candidate in its own election. I don't think this will continue and should not continue.
The other question
by Friday, these issues of documents that did not get served by INEC or documents did not receive from INEC can be resolved.
Well, I want to give them the benefit of the doubt. I don't want to be pessimistic. But if we don't, there are other options. There are other options.
What mission have they served on? And what mission did they say they have served on?
You say what?
The motion they said they have served on the petition that they need to plan. What is it for?
Okay. What?
Wait a minute, please. Wait.
The motion they filed is asking that some paragraphs of the petition be struck out. Served this morning in court, and we will reply accordingly, provide a very, very robust defense. The allegation is misplaced.
The last one, please.
Application on? Oh yes. That one probably should be among the applications to be had on Friday. But surprisingly again, I believe it will surprise you, that INEC is objecting. A public institution that is being funded by the government, representing the people, is saying they don't want the people to enjoy live streaming. Are you not surprised? Again, you ask yourself, what are they hiding? What are they hiding? What are they hiding? I don't know.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well done.